All right, I got a great update for Nflx. Nflx is, well, a plan actually. Nflx is set up for a quick pop higher this week. The May 26 162.5 calls could be used. Targets are 165 to 168 on the low end. If we can get the right action that I will explain in the video, this could be a pretty good trade. I mean, all we needed to do is get to 165, and again, as a low end target. If they're going to give us the right action, I mean, these are possible targets. They could even do better. The key is confirmation. So Nflx needs to break above 158 on some good action volume, and it'd be great if we get the volume there, right? And good action volume would be between 600k to 900k on a 10-minute chart. Now, if the volume isn't there, then I would look for basing above the 158 area and look for power towards 159. That's another key pivot point. And then, of course, the last key pivot point would be power towards the 160. Lo and behold, this stock could drift up in a way where we get good volume at the end of the day, and they close it at 160. Then one would have to probably look for power over that. But as it stands, we'll look at this plan. We'll see how it goes. If it requires another plan, but I just want to understand that I think some reasonable volume needs to be coming in, especially if they are going to want to, because we're at a pivot point. We don't want to be stuck in chop. Another problem with you got to understand with weekly options is that we don't want to be holding chop action. So we need the right kind of action to happen to try to engage in them in order to make good money. So confirmation is key, but like I said, pay attention to that point. I'll see if I will be posting if I like it for an entry. So let's take a look here. All right, people. And Nflx closed at 157.02 for May the 19th. And here's the May 26 options. We're going to take a look at a couple of options here. But so we got the 160s could be used. Okay, there you can see there's good. The sweet spot is the 160s. They're trading at about a dollar, but of course these will cost a little bit more in confirmation. They're about a dollar, what looks like $1.10, and then you've got a good action. These are trading pretty well as well. The 162.5s. So these are the two 150. Well, all three could be used. 157.5 call, 160 and 162.5. So those are the three ones could use. So what we could use is a reference of the 160s, because, but as an idea on the video I said the 162.5, but I'm going to use a reference of the since we'll listen to the video, we'll use a reference of the 160s. I think the 160s are really good to use to make some good money. And of course, if with weekly options one could go in and out of them, so take profits, go in and out. I'm not going to support all the possibilities because I have to see the action. But what I'm supporting is that if we get the right action, there's going to be good money to be made if you know what you're doing with the weekly options. There are trades that I do that I don't post with the weekly options. But it's quick stuff. I mean, sometimes you can be in a weekly option, you can make 100%, and you're out within the first few hours because we got that momentum of a move, right? But anyways, that's another side of the thing. I try to get us stuff that's going to be momentumous for a few days. And again, that's why confirmation is key. All right, people. If you haven't already subscribed to my YouTube channel, Power Target Trades, I suggest you subscribe. This is a lot of great reminders. Confirmation is key. Study the videos, visit daily, follow Power Target Trade for updates and confirmation. Subscribe to the channel. It's a great way to see just see the videos in an organized manner. There's stuff that's going to be happening. Like the SYY, a lot of the defensive stocks, food kind of company stocks are could bust out at any time, and so you have to wait for the power. But check out those videos. Those are safer plays, slower plays, but when they move, they're going to move. But anyway, see the center power trigger trade. It's going to appear here at the end of the video in a circle format. Simply click on it. It's going to give you an easy way to subscribe. So there you have, people, a great update. Thanks for listening. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video.